Leaders in Kigezi sub-region have paid tribute to the late State Minister for Defense and Veteran Affairs, Mateke, for efforts in promoting development and unity in southwestern Uganda. Mateke, who also served as a woman member of parliament for Kisoro district, passed away on Saturday after suffering a heart attack shortly after being admitted to Mengo Hospital in Kampala. She will be laid to rest this Thursday at her home in Bugahe village, Nyakabingo parish, Shahi sub-county in Kisoro district. In a council session held at her home, various leaders praised the late minister for her significant contributions to both regional and national development. Her remains were received with solemnity at Kisoro airstrip after being airlifted by a UPDF aircraft AF623, which landed at the Nyakabande airdrome at 10 minutes past 11 a.m. Grieving mourners led by the Buchimbiri County Member of Parliament Eddie Kwizera Wagahunga and security officials including Kisoro Resident District Commissioner Haj Badru Sebyara were present to receive the body. Before the council session, the Bishop Emeritus of the Diocese of Muhabura, Right Reverend Kwan Mamujisha, led prayers for the mourners before the body were handed over to the A+ funeral team for further arrangements.
You are the one who gives and you are the one who takes. So you give.
As her remains were transported in a convoy to her home, mourners lined the roadside to witness the final journey of their beloved legislator. The council session, which commenced at noon, drew a large number of guests, including LC5 chairpersons, speakers, mayors, chief administrative officers, resident district commissioners from the Kigezi sub-region, Kisoro district councillors, sub-county chairpersons, LC3 chairpersons, and other officials. Kisoro district speaker Amos Ashizimana chaired the session. Alex Nambajimana, the LC5 vice chairperson for Kisoro district, moved the motion to honor Mateke and highlighted several of her achievements.
The deceased was also instrumental in lobbying for 2 ambulances from Minister of Health, with one of the Chaha Health Center for and the other for Kusanza Health Center for, which are located in hard-to-reach areas and had no means of transporting the patient. Since then, existing ambulances were borrowed. At the time of her death, she was also lobbying for another ambulance for Buguri Health Center 4. She also supported the district in its bid of requesting the Minister of Health to construct a theater and an isolation ward at Kisoro Hospital and another theater at Kusanza Health Center 4, whose construction are in progress.
Abel Bizimana, the LC5 chairperson for Kisoro district, proposed that the stadium planned for Sutherland be constructed in Mateke's honor.
Fully aware that the government is building stadia in different locations of the country, and we want you members of parliament, I wish the speaker was here, and convey this matter to her, that this matter is taken up seriously by the parliament and allocation of funds to this effect is made by government, so that this stadium is seen to be existent and doing its business. That's why the name, that's when the name of Honorable Sarah Mateke will flourish, and we shall be enjoying the fruits of the stadium in memory of her. Mr. Speaker, I beg this august House to receive this motion for discussion and approval.
John Zagaba, the Councillor for Southern Division in Kisoro Municipality, praised Mateke's education initiatives, revealing that he was a beneficiary of her scholarship scheme.
When Ms. Sarah brought this university here, Mr. Speaker, all the students from Busanza across the district managed to go to Metropolitan, and they added up their documents and they are now acquiring degrees from Kisoro. We again salute you for that work that you did. That here, very many students are now graduates, more especially those who failed to go elsewhere, not Kisoro.
Engineer Sam Kajojo, LC5 chairperson for Kanungu and head of the Kigezi sub-region chairperson, shared that Mateke's scholarship scheme had supported over 1,000 vulnerable children. He further explained that Mateke had been instrumental in addressing the tea industry crisis in Kigezi, where over 700 people were owed Uganda shillings 14 billion for tea seedlings.
We had started as leaders to engage in consultations with Honorable Sarah Mateke for her hand to assist the people of Kigezi to recover, or the government, compel the government to release the money that was outstanding, and also most importantly, to fast track the resolution, implementation of the resolutions that were made by local government leaders that sat in Mbarara or the 16 districts that are affected by the tea industry that are key actors in the tea sector. Sarah had expressed her willingness to give us a hand and engage with His Excellency the President to see that the people of Kigezi and Ankole would be leveraged in accessing and recovery of this tea sector. It's very sad that she has left before that fulfillment, but we do appreciate her commitment in this matter.
It would also be unfortunate that from the period now moving forward, that we begin fighting for this position. It will be an indicator of celebration to some of us. Abafumbi and Abashaba, do not expose ourselves. Kigezi region is a very big region. We all benefited from Sarah. At a personal level, Metropolitan University Kisoro has the highest number from Rwanda district. I spoke to Sarah on Saturday when we were having a party at Kigezi, and she told me, Chairman, I will give you more scholarships this year. To the leaders of the university, you have got a test to undertake. You shouldn't and you should not keep or run short of the legacy which Sarah had left or Sarah had given to us as a region. To you members of council, once again, I also want to stand with you and request His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda that as he had given us a favor appointing a Minister of State for Security for Defense from this district, I do not doubt, and I stand with you in that request before you. I second it. I want to thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing us to come and stand with you, the people of Kisoro. United we stand as a region. Divided we fall as a region.
Nyachinama Sub-County Councillor Diana Nakato described Mateke as a geopolitical pillar deeply involved in uplifting women's groups and addressing domestic violence. She called on the Mateke family to nominate a member to fill a position ahead of the 2025 NRM primaries and 2026 general elections.
Her fate has left a positive impact in our district. Mr. Speaker, sir, as a district council, we take this honor to thank all dignitaries from all government structures for standing with us as we mourn for our person. As a district, we shall live to remember her and her deeds. Mr. Speaker, sir, we beg as a district that if the family can have a member who can assist us in this remaining 1 year to push, help the district push.
The council unanimously approved the motion to replace her sister Ruth Nyinaneza Mateke in Parliament.
Kisoro people, so Mr. Speaker will put a question thereafter. So Mr. Speaker, you put a question. Those in favor say aye.
By press time, a memorial service for the deceased was still underway at their home. Compiled by Norbert Njamhachi for Kigezi Television.